Hey y'all, Alejandro here, aka The Portrait Guy, and welcome back to my channel, Sue Channel. On today's Quick Tip Thursday, I'm going to tell you the best lens that you can invest in, no matter what level of photography you're in. So get your drink while the intro plays, because you need to catch up. So today I want to talk to you about the most popular, the most talked about lens probably of all time. And of course I'm talking about the 50mm 1.8. And every brand has their version. Canon has one, Nikon has one, Sony has one. So this lens is for everyone, y'all. Why is it so good? Because it's one of the cheapest things you could buy for your camera. And definitely the cheapest lens, I think, ever. And also, because it's a prime or fixed lens, you get two amazing benefits. One, a sharper image than most zoom lenses. Two, you can open up your aperture to 1.8, y'all. That's a crazy amount of light, and you can get real shallow on the depth of field, y'all. Get that nice blurry background, get that bokeh. Plus, 50mm is what's considered a normal perspective on a full frame sensor camera. So because it's not a big investment, even if you're starting out, I recommend everyone to get it. Not just because of the image quality, but also it'll tell you how much are you really shooting at 50? Do you need something wider or something longer for your specific use? Since 50 is normal, you'll feel yourself, you'll think, you know what, I need to get something wider after this. Or you know what, 50 is not enough, I need something longer. So it's a great lens to own because it'll tell you what your needs really are. So it'll help guide you to know what you want and what you don't want. Of course, I've left links in the description below for Canon, Nikon, and Sony models. The Sony is more expensive. It's like double the price, I think. So if you have a Sony, then maybe you'll have to think about it a little bit more. But if you have a Canon or a Nikon, for me, it's a no-brainer. If you found this useful, check out another Quick Tip Thursday video, like this one, subscribe, it helps me out a lot and the channel, honey, and it's free for you, so like win-win, right? And that's all, honey. Hi, it's me again. I noticed you didn't like the video or subscribe. Why is that? Oh, you're gonna subscribe now. Okay. Good.